Inside today's news video, we're going to be talking about new body colors being inside of Rec Room now, as you guys can see, a new Rec Room update, and a few announcements for creators. Strap in, let's get started, and of course, so we recently received a new Rec Room update, and of course, without wasting any more time, let's go straight into it. We got the Rec Room, the Paint Your Body Edition, and TLDR, Body Paint is now available at Rec Room Plus. There's over 100 props that are now available in Rooms 2, and they added studio objects and studio audio content chips, so now you can share studio content with others. And just to note, this update's kind of massive for creators as well. Inside of Rooms 2, there's more props that are now available in Rooms 2. Pathfinder, Touchpad, and Collision Detection Volume are no longer in beta. They added Stage Light V2 in beta. If you guys don't remember, I ended up talking about Stage Light V2, but now it's actually inside of beta now. They fixed a bug where the Rec Room Object Reset chip would silently fail and cause havoc if you tried to reset an object, which isn't able to have an object board. So imagine you're working, and then you do something wrong, but nothing tells you did anything wrong. You see how annoying that can be? They also fixed crash issues caused by Delete Everything button, and fixed an issue where players could get stuck in Rooms 2. And lastly, they complete some additional optimization work. Now for avatars, Body Paint has arrived exclusively for Rec Room Plus. You can change up your look in an all-new way, add some extra color to your favorite outfits, or find new ways to express yourself. All RR Plus subscribers gain access to all 19 colors, and body paint is distinct from skin tone. You can swap or remove body paint without changing your avatar's stable identity. And they also fixed an issue where they're pushing some advanced customization sliders to their extremes that looked a little too wonky. Now yes, that is right. If you guys decide to actually come to your mirror inside of Rec Room, and you guys click on that customize button, and you guys go to this little body icon, you guys will now notice that we have this new body paint feature. Obviously marked with Rec Room Plus to show that it's for Rec Room Plus members only. You guys can see that we have a bunch of different colors to choose from. It could be pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, even a more purple, or black or gray. So there's a lot of new body paints that you can actually be. And you can even take off the body paint if you had wanted to. What other colors would you like to see inside of this new body paint feature inside of Rec Room? Be sure to let me know. In my opinion, I've seen some mixed reviews about it. Some people are just happy that the body paint is back inside of Rec Room, and some people are mad that it's, locked behind a paywall. As Rec Room has stated before, if you find yourself to be mad about this new paywall, Rec Room Plus is kind of the only way Rec Room can make money at the moment. If Rec Room wants to separate from their investors, then they kind of need to boost Rec Room Plus sales. So this is all an effort for that. Just remember that whenever, Rec Room locks something behind Rec Room Plus, they just want to make Rec Room Plus more worth it. But what are your guys' thoughts? Let me know down in the comments below. Now onto Mobile Maker Pen. They added vertical toggle buttons. They added a fix where if the precision mode is toggled in on the actual Mobile Maker Pen, it stays on when switching to the classic Maker Pen and back. It'll also stay when you drop and re-equip the Mobile Maker Pen as well. For circuits, Vector and Quargion Neon, I don't even know what that is. Inputs on chips can now be configured to a default value. Opening the Smart Circuits menu will no longer leave behind a sound as if you're still trying to connect something. Now for general improvements and bug fixes, you now have access to the People tab in your watch during social orientation. In the Create tab of your watch, your rooms list will now default to showing your most recently created rooms first. Previously, this was alphabetical. All small text entries in the configure menu are now wider. No more poking at tiny text boxes, thank God. And they made the following changes to invention tags. Tags now only save when you click the save button, no more auto-saving, added a description to category tags, and made all tags case insensitive. So adding upper or lowercase characters won't affect the tag. They should also cry a little less often now. Gift box data is now tamper-proof, meaning that hackers can no longer send you mean or, really rude messages inside of boxes and stuff like that. And they fixed a bug where chat threads didn't consistently open with the most recent message focus. And lastly, they fixed some wonky back button behavior on the load room save page. For Rec Room Studio, studio objects and studio audio content chips can now be placed into an invention. This allows sharing RR Studio content from your room with others. So that's a big change for people that love Rec Room Studio. And lastly, for this entire update, for experiments, Rec Room is now testing out a new featured creator carousel in the play menu that will show up for some players. One manually selected creator at a time will be featured. I really wonder if that's going to act as like a massive shout out for that featured creator. But I guess we'll just kind of have to wait and see what time, I guess. Alright, just to put a little break inside the news, let's have a little dance break real quick. So, as I was literally about to upload this video, we got new info. Rec Room came out talking about Rooms 2.0 being the new default for new creators. talks about how this impacts new creators, veteran creators, and the Rooms 2 beta. Sean, the recroom employee, left a message for all of us to read, and he goes on to say, over the last few months, we've been largely focusing on one priority in Rooms 2.0, stability. After a lot of internal work and public testing with the community, we're now confident that Rooms 2 is stable. So starting today, when you go to create a new room, you'll see Rooms 2 first. You can still select R1 based rooms, but Rooms 2 will be the first thing you see. Rooms 2 is not only the default, but the future of the foundation of creation in Rec Room. And so, with stability improving and more features coming, it's better for new creators to start their creation journey with Rooms 2 rooms. For veteran creators, we still have work to do. There are some key features, like the costume dummy and vehicles being the most obvious, preventing some of their most advanced creators from switching to Rooms 2 permanently, and some bugs. They are prioritizing that work right now. You can read more about how they're thinking about this internally in their messy middle post here. On top of the crushing those bugs, they're also starting targeted outreach to a few advanced creators on how we get some of our great Rooms 1 rooms into Rooms 2. We found that trying to make this happen for real rooms and real creators gives us the best feedback on how to make this work really well for everyone else. A huge thank you to everyone who has taken the time to help us out with the Rooms 2 bug reporting and feedback so far. But what about Rooms 2 beta? We're going to stop using Rooms 2 alpha, beta, beta 2.0, beta 2.0 ultimate edition type labels. These labels are creating a lot of confusion internally at Rec Room and externally in the community. Going forward, you'll just see us talking about Rooms 2.0 coming, and we'll talk more into detail about where things are going at with the community and what's coming next. We'll also be posting updates on the Rooms 2 work in the creator forum, and we'll give regular updates during the monthly creator AMAs. If you guys are wondering about these creator AMAs, the date and time is usually announced inside the creator hub Discord, but I do talk about it inside my videos too. For Rooms 2 bugs and feedback, if you're new to creating, give Rooms 2.0 a shot, and let us know what you think. If you're a veteran creator but you haven't tried out Rooms 2 in a while, give it another try and let us know your feedback or any bugs you hit. Here are the best spots to get us with this kind of info, either at Rooms 2 featured request / feedback at the creator forum or Rooms 2 bugs at creator forum, and I will have the link to this inside the description below. Pretty recently, Rec Room also published 25 new sci-fi assets and inventions today. This creator forum with the new sci-fi assets, Sean does confirm in order to help creators in Sci-Fi Fest spirit, the art team wanted to release another asset pack for creators. This invention pack is live now, and it's made up of objects that you can find in Jumbotron and Laser Tag. They hope that these inventions will make it easier for creators to build more fun sci-fi rooms. If you don't know how to find them? All you want to do is go into your watch menu, go into Store, Invention, scroll down 10 stripes to Made by Rec Room, click View More, and on the right you can search for the asset name. Most assets will start with sci-fi, but you can find the full assets names above using the actual link inside this creator forum. You can save them to your palette and place them using your maker pen like any other invention. And hopefully that was helpful. And in case you weren't aware, you could actually make more dorm rooms now. It's been confirmed if you go to create and then you go to my dorms, it used to be capped at 3, but you can now make up to 10 dorm rooms now. I do believe Rec Room added this because of the new Maker AI update, but I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure that's why. What are your guys' thoughts on being able to make 10 dorms now? And let me know if you guys really care about that. Now, I feel like you know what time it is. And to help you get that broader sense, as you guys can see right behind me, I got my memberships. If you don't know already, I shout out every single membership inside of every single video. So of course, massive shout out to Misha, Nat the Pup, Tom's VR, Cam VR, Kobe Fan 76, Cam, Dex Storm, Statrix, Names Unlisted, Nolan, The Dragon Boy, Garlic Bread, It's RR, Dozer, BBB, Burning Owl, Raphael, Netflix 69, and of course, Box David. Thank you guys all so much for the love. I really do appreciate it. And of course, let's go to the end of this video. And at the moment, that is quite literally everything inside of Rec Room right now. We talked about the new update, we talked about body paint, we talked about creator announcements, and be sure to let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments below. Of course, you guys should see more Rec Room videos on the screen right now where I talked about other Rec Room news. I recently just talked about a new update inside of Rec Room and the announcement of body paint inside of Rec Room. If you guys want to check all of that stuff out, then of course, check out my other videos, people, and I will catch you guys inside the next one. Like and subscribe, and of course, peace out.